Welcome to Speak Better English with Teacher Estime. If you are new here and would like to learn one expression every single day, please subscribe to my channel in order not to miss one. So, our today's expression is fall head over heels in love. See? Fall head over heels in love. If you fall head over heels in love, you fall deeply and suddenly in love with someone. For example, I fell head over heels in love with her the moment we danced. Number two, he fell head over heels in love and proposed within a month. Number three, she never expected to fall head over heels in love on her vacation. Number four, they fell head over heels in love during their university years. So, if you'd like to learn the translation of this expression, both in Portuguese and French, please take a glance at the description or download the PDF. And I'll see you in the next video.